Hello, I hope you're doing extremely well. In today's video, I want to share with you some formulas that I use almost every day to extract data. I think these are formulas that can be used many times, so I wanted to share them with you. Let's get started. Here are a few examples that we can use to practice. The first thing I'm going to do is add a few columns. Mark the column with control space and insert a column with control plus. Let's say we want to get some specific information. In this case, I'd like to get the country codes. Before you try to extract any data, always try to see if it's something that is standard or that can be repeated in the other data. For example, in this case, the country code begins with a plus sign and has 2 digits, so it's something that is standard and therefore it will be very easy to get it. I'm going to give it S equal, and to do this we're going to use the left option because we want to take out what's on the left. So we typed left, we marked the text we want to take out, and here we are interested in extracting 3 digits. If you see, the first 3 digits are going to be plus 44. Since I'm using the option on the left, I'm going to get the data on the left. I press Ctrl C, I can go down, I go to the last piece of data with Control the arrow, I move to the other arrow, Control Shift, I select all the text, I press Enter, and now I have all the country codes. The same thing can be applied to any piece of data we have, for example, dates. So let's say that instead of that, here we can extract the years, right? We are going to extract year here. It's going to be exactly the same. Left, if you have Excel in Spanish, it's going to be izquierda. We select the text and choose how many digits we want to extract. In this case, we want to extract 4. If this appears here, it's because it's very likely that the cell itself is in text format, as you can see here. So what we have to do is change it to general, and that's it. We try again and it's going to show up. I'm going to copy and do exactly the same thing with the others. Done, we have the years. Now let's imagine that we want to take the other extreme. We don't want to take the left, but we want to take the right. It's exactly the same. Let's put it here, day. And we're going to use the option of in Spanish derecha in English, right? We're going to put the equal sign here, type right, select the text, and choose how many digits on the right side we want to take out. In this case, 2. It happens to me exactly the same. It seems to me that all of those have a text format. So you saw how it can be done in one way. The other way is by copying it with copying the format. The format can be copied from here, or also use the command Alt-HFP and then select the cell we want. We press F2 to edit again, press Enter, and we would have the day. I'll do exactly the same as I did with the others. Control Shift, Enter, and we have all the dates. Now, for example, let's say that we don't want to get the first or last piece of data, but we just want to get a piece of data that's in the middle. That can also be done. Let's say we want to get the month here. For that, we'll use an option called imide. We'll give that option the same. We write meet, and what it will do for us is tell us, or it will start extracting data from left to right based on the instruction that we read. So, for example, meet, we want to select this text. We want it to start taking data from number 5. Because 4 are from the year, the 5th is from the divisor, so it starts from number 6, and it only brings us 2 characters. Okay? The same thing happens to me with the formulas. Okay, and here is 04. I copy and paste it, and as you can see here, we would already have the year, the day, and the month.